Hello, fashion lovers, and welcome to In Love Design. If you're not afraid of a splash of color in your wardrobe, then keep watching. Let's review Valentino's Fall 2021, Winter 2022 collection. Valentino pulled out all the stops. This collection is filled with different colors and bold color combinations. For example, this lavender purple and lime green ensemble. I love the shimmer of the blouse fabric. I'm also definitely repeating this combination in my own wardrobe this fall. The renaissance of long gloves is here and are featured throughout the collection. Another color combination I will duplicate this fall is the raspberry pink on lavender pink. I don't believe this is a normal fall color duo. However, Valentino makes a gorgeous statement with it. Oh wow! Notice the neon yellow leggings and turtleneck collar. An exclamation mark of color. Here, the collection spotlights bold design print in every hue of the rainbow. The lucky wearer of these outfits will stand out in a crowd. Valentino plays with several shades of green. I happen to love this jewel tone emerald and will definitely sport this color in the fall and winter months. I like how the collection features several androgynous looks. Valentino is fearless by assigning vibrant colored and sequence fabric for men's fashion as well. These are surprises that push fashion boundaries and make the collection interesting. This pearl sequence romper looks stunning against the mint green gloves. The hat is gorgeous and reminds me of graceful jellyfish I once saw at the Monterey Bay Aquarium. I love the following outerwear looks in teal, emerald, and mustard, whether a tone-on-tone look of this bubble cape or a potpourri of bright shades. I imagined feeling warm and snuggly in a sophisticated way. A Valentino collection would not be complete without a ruby red. Here's a silky red to heat up the mood. This luxurious neon pink feather coat jazzes up the monochromatic outfit. Check out the cool eye makeup on the model. I just can't get enough of lavender, purple, and sequins. More, please. I'm not quite sure what to say for these next two looks, so I will leave it to you to decide if it's a trend worth following. And then there were cocktail gowns in every color to rival the best of them. But oh no, Valentino did not stop there. As a grand finale, the collection concludes with an explosion of ball gowns straight out of a best-selling historical romance novel. Thank you to Valentino's designer and creative director, Pier Paolo Piccioli, and his staff who presented this breathtaking collection in Venice, Italy. Also, a very special thank you to you, my loyal subscribers, for joining me each week on this amazing fashion journey. I appreciate you and will see you in the next video. Bye.